Hi, this is Sri Divya from Besant Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the artificial intelligence research. Okay, before that artificial intelligence research topic, do you know about the anything artificial intelligence? What is artificial intelligence means? It is a very smart thing we can do the work in within a second. Okay, artificial intelligence. Do you know about the robotics and what are the things or the robo can do and all? Okay, first of all, the artificial intelligence is it takes the input from the environment and it will achieve the goal by planning, representation and natural processing languages and manipulation of object using some data algorithms and some data science objects also. It is a machine only we can use in a day-to-day life also, like our washing machine also one of the artificial intelligent inversion only. Nowadays we have a automatic washing machine. It will take everything within it. We just program in it and then it will do the everything, washing, soak and drying itself, everything it will doing. And next one is what are the areas. Here we going to see is large scale machine learning, reinforcement learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics and recommended system. These are the research area nowadays going there to emerge the technologies. And these applications are using in your real life also, like we are in medicine, in medical side, in technology side, or otherwise it is used for our society also. So these are the artificial intelligence researchers are here going day to by day. It will be a very useful and it is useful for society and for particular field also. First one is large scaling machine learning. It involves a large set of data which have a huge number of training sets and test instance, features and classes. What is the classes in the sense? It has so many objects. It can manipulate it with one another. It creates the new data set. So large scale machine learning use the different data to learn the things. And next one is reinforcement learning. It will takes the input from the environment and it gives the output to the environment. Robotics is like the reinforcement learning. Like your football robots, it's like it take a goal of that field and it will throw the ball to them. So the actions will be a goal to pass the ball to the defense side. Okay, and then natural language processing. It is conquered by expert systems that are able to perceive and understand the spoken human languages. It is mostly used in your medical side. And then next one is computer vision. Computer vision allows the computer to grasp the details of pictures and the videos is a goal, and a computer vision is to make it. And automatic work with the performed by a humans. We can command it what we do, the action will be our output. And then robotics, we know everybody know about the robotics. It is the one important concept in artificial intelligence. That means utilize of your laptop to model and replicate the intelligent behavior. Okay, then next one is recommender system. In recommend system, it will collect the past history of the users and it will recommend to the peer users to the convey the information or offers to the users on other side. It will collect the histories from your various websites and it will gives to the merchants. And next one is neuroformic computing system. Brain like a hardware. The chip is inserted in your brain. It will work as a faster and more efficiently than your human brain. So these are the things which are in your artificial research areas.